um, ways of booking. So the booking.com is another opportunity I found out when I was over in Dominican Republic. The way that they're getting most of their bookings over there is through booking.com. So of course I come back and I inform the academy students that this is another opportunity out there that I'm going to put to work. But the difference about booking.com is a platform that's used to hotels, that does hotels, only hotels. So they're just opening up to the short-term rental platforms as far as the like Airbnb type. So what happened was, and it happened several times, is that, I got a call from a guy and then a girl that said, "Hey, I'm at the property. Can you send me the access information?" And I'm like, "Who are you?" And they said, "Well, we just booked a place." And I'm like, "Book what place?" They said, "We booked your place." And I said, "No, my place is not being booked." And I'm looking on the Airbnb platform, and then I see in the booking.com they use a different thing called Pulse, I believe. I went in the dat and it showed that somebody had instantly booked a place.